Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A60 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that the phone used to here in this video is not actually A60, but however for educational and demo purposes this Samsung phone is used. So don't worry about it, and it will surely work. And let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A60 with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that your phone and TV is connected to a common Wi-Fi. Here I go to my phone and go to Wi-Fi section and see today 5G is used as a Wi-Fi, and the same Wi-Fi should also be used in your TV. So go to your TV now and select settings of your TV and go to network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi and connect to the same Wi-Fi. Here, yes, automatically disconnected. I have already connected previously, so it is automatically connected, and yes, the same 5G Wi-Fi is used. So my phone and TV is in common connection with Wi-Fi called 5G. You can also use your mobile hotspot as a Wi-Fi from your phone, and the same Wi-Fi, that is mobile hotspot, can be connected to your TV. That will also work. Okay. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search Google Home app. Just install this Google Home app. Just click on install and it will be installed within few seconds. Just wait or go to drink a tea and it will be installed. If you have slow connection, it will take some time, but yeah, this is first connection in my phone. And yes, now open Google Home app and go to get started here and click on next and give permission here. And here this is very important step to select corresponding email ID. That is, what email ID you have used in your TV, that email ID should be selected here. So select it and click on OK and click on next. Then give any permission. If it is asking, then location access, just click on next, give permission, but actually location access is not needed. It is asking you to turn on location services in your devices settings. It is not needed actually, so skip it and go to devices, and here you will find the TV device. Yes, Android TV is showing. Just click on it and click on cast my screen here to initiate screen mirroring, and click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone will be mirrored to TV. Yes, phone screen is in now in my TV too. So what you open in your phone screen, that will also be exactly mirrored to your TV. Okay, so here I just go to this Google Meet app, that's also seen in my TV. See. So what screen you are using in your phone, that will also be seen in your TV. Here I open Snapchat, that is also seen in my TV. In this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your Samsung Galaxy A60 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.